Yeah, hi Ben, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've got your laser and I've done some repairs for you. Basically, I've put a brand new laser in, but I want to point out that this laser, the unit has had a lot of work on it. It's obviously been in a pub or a club or something because it was very gunked up. So I've taken everything apart and I've cleaned the cogs for you and everything. It doesn't seem to be that loose, but it just looks like it's been in a real, like a smoky environment maybe, and had a lot of wear. But it seems okay. The cogs are actually quite tight. But yeah, it's all done for you, and it's all working. And it's been on test for about, probably about an hour and 3/4, and I've not seen any errors or heard any errors while I've been working away. So that's going to go out to you ASAP. So thank you very much, Ben, and have a great weekend.